Morning, everybody. It is currently 6 a.m. Been on the road for a little over an hour, towing the skid steer mulcher. Just met up with our good buddy Johnny, and we're gonna knock out hopefully a one-day project for him. We got a water truck coming. It is right in the middle of the dry season, so mulching right now is difficult, but we'll get her done. Okay, so over here on that side of the property, pretty much the whole thing, Johnny's been in here already. He sold his skid steer and he's just doing track chipper work with excavator, falling trees and stuff like that. So he hired us for the day, maybe more, to come in and take all this underbrush kind of stuff. We got it all over there, but I'll show you guys how dusty it can get here. Got 500 gallons in Dad's truck, but he rented a, this is like a retired water truck. He can't use it on the road anymore. So the lowboy dropped it off. He's gonna do some spraying for us, but it's not bad right there where he's already sprayed. What year is that truck? That's bigger than Ken's truck. Yeah, Ken's is 3200 his cab, or his, he's got like 2 feet between the tank and the cab, so that one screws all the way up to it. Got a belt on that thing.
The guy with the pink truck saying that's not very good. Oh, it fell down. You bet he couldn't do this on every mulching job. Yeah. Oh yeah, keep coming. I'd say right there, and then go forward, giving her the beans. Yeah, right there. Yep, this is working out pretty badass. Everybody have that communication on. Johnny running the water. Yeah, it seems kind of weird that there's not a side chute over there. You can do that. You want to do that again? Alrighty guys, I realize a lack of footage for this video, but the scenery is too cool not to post it. The right hand side is where I first filmed my intro for this video. You can see how the soil is a little bit darker and tilled up, looking fresh. This was all underbrush on this whole job, but there's a lot of rock, and all this brush was that nasty, stringy, almost like a greasewood bush kind of not very quick mulching. It was, you know, multiple passes, especially with a skid steer. And then towards the back of the job, this is where it got a little bit technical. I didn't film any of this because we were just on a crunch time, go, and I kind of regret not getting some footage back here. But zigzagging the skid steer through all these trees, and the big pink water truck was able to get in and out of there. And he watered about 99% of this job with that big old water truck. Checking on the left side of the driveway, that's all stuff that Johnny has chipped. That's all sprayed with his big chipper. And the right hand side, that's all that we mulched today. He's covered a lot of ground on this property, and it looks pretty sweet. Very surprising for the surrounding properties that these people actually took some pride and did some land management. That's an up view of the technical spot towards the back. And I got a little bonus content for you guys towards the end. If you made it this far, hell yeah, brother. This was a long day. From the time I left the house till I got home was 15 hours. And we kind of estimated this job on a day rate. We could maybe run into 2 days, but we decided we were so close on the first day that we would just run long and got it done. So we didn't have to go back the next day for it. Win-win. We can go on to the next job, and the customer's happy because the job is finally completed. Dry season hit very early for us here in Northern California. And we're just working with what we got. We got fire danger. We got big dust problem because everything is so dry. And we're just trying to stay safe out here. Visibility is a must, and fire prevention is another must. So check out this bonus content at the end.
Flamingo machine. Well, backing up the trailer right now, so let's see how this works out while I'm trying to film. There you go. You guys see back there? Crank it, crank it. Oh man, I think it is well past 5 o'clock right now. Left the house right at 5 or before it. If you guys have ever done any kind of trying to cover ground, I think we covered about 5 acres out here today with the dang 12. That's a lot for a skid steer. I mean, that's a lot for anything to cover, but the owner's pretty dang happy, I'll say that much, so I'm pretty happy. I don't know if I said it earlier in this video, but it was a cleanup job. Our buddy Johnny went through this and he cut down a whole bunch of trees and chipped them all. But there's a lot of underbrush that you can't chip all that. So that's what we were doing. perfect job for a skid steer. We just ran out of water. We put about 10,000 gallons of water down today, and ooh, yeah, that was exhausting. That's a lot of skid steer running. You got to keep that thing moving and grooving. It was a dusty son of a bitch. I'm gonna go down there and load up the skid steer. All back to the house. I got about an hour's drive. Such an ideal little trailer. Freaking stoked on having this thing. Don't have to cart the big gooseneck on it, and it's got the rating to haul that not quite a 16,000 pound machine, but it's pretty dang near it. So basically I'm bumper pulling on 20K. There you go. Roll the head. All right, Mitchell. You can roll it all the way back and set it down.
It was on your D-rings last time.
Yeah, come forward a touch. Forward. There you go. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, it's a wood preservative. Put a D on it. Don't make sense. Got ourselves a nice little lake on the way out. Guarantee that water is colder than crap right there. Even though it's 100 degrees, 94 degrees outside, there ain't nobody swimming in that lake. Check that out there. Some lake right up there on the top of the hill. You can see the dam to it. I forget the name. Somewhere up on the top of that hill over there is Interstate 80. Midway up the hill. This is one spot where you want to go slow, because that is death over the edge right there. Put her in second gear, because look at that drop right there. Woo. Yeah, you can tailgate if you want, dude. I ain't going faster. So we were a little over an hour out of town, which is not bad. But when the interstate gets clogged up or blocked for whatever reason, everybody has to detour through the old highway, which is my way home. But I fired at the camera because not this trucker, but the trucker in front of him, it's a long downgrade getting back here, and he smoked his brakes. You can see, well, that is all from him smoking his brakes. You can see in the air all the sunlight. It smells real bad in here, real bad. Well, that trucker is easy to follow. He is leaving a big old smoke cloud everywhere. I don't know, maybe he just locked a tire up or something. That thing surely would have popped by now. I don't know, maybe my nose is kind of broken right now. It smells like brakes, but it smells like a big whip of tire too, so we'll catch him going up this hill if he hasn't pulled over. Can you guys see that down there? I'll zoom in. He is just dumping smoke. What an idiot. But hell, he made it down 3 big hills. Know something we don't know. Oh, look at this idiot. Let me over, you stupid bitch. There he is. He's not doing good. A red car.